Hi, my name is Angela and I'm a junior scientist with Seed System. Today, students will be able to learn how to create a butterfly feeder. Now, you may be asking, what is a butterfly feeder? A butterfly feeder is a sugary treat that attracts butterflies. So, let's get into it. First, let's go over the materials needed. You'll need pipe cleaners, double-sided tape, scissors, a kitchen sponge, a pencil, paper cups, tissue paper, and of course, orange juice. The first thing you'll need to do is make 2 holes on the opposite sides of the paper cup with the sharp pencil, like this, on both sides. Next, cut a length of string about 12 inches or put together 3 pipe cleaners of the color of your choice and push it through the ends of the cup, like this. Then, cut a square of the kitchen sponge 2 centimeters bigger than the hole that you made at the bottom of the cup. As so, 2 centimeters bigger than the hole that we cut at the bottom of the cup. Like this. Okay. Now, using the eraser end of your pencil, you're going to push the square of the sponge into the hole at the bottom of the cup. Like this. Okay? Now, let's draw a flower onto the tissue paper and cut it out. Make sure your flower is bigger than the cup's base and cut a hole in the middle that is slightly bigger than the sponge poking through. So, I already pre-cut my flower, which was yellow, and this is how mine turned out. As you can see, I made sure to draw a circle right here in the middle to give me an outline that was bigger than the hole at the bottom of my cup. Once you have that hole, you need to make sure you cut it so it looks like this. Make sure you place it on your cup so you can see that it is bigger than the hole and the sponge at the bottom. Then, you will have to stick small pieces of double-sided tape into the bottom of your cup, like this. So, I put 4 pieces of double-sided tape all around my cup, as so. Now, you have to press down the flower to the base of the cup, like this. Okay? Just like this. Make sure that the sponge is still poking out. Now, the last thing you will have to do is pour juice over the sink or outside, and then once you pour the juice in there, let's see, pour some juice in here now. It should be able to be soaked on the sponge. Just a little bit. And now it's soaked into the sponge, and now you will hang it outside, and then you will slowly begin to see how butterflies will start gathering around your feeder. So over the last 6 years, we have helped upwards of 6,000 students reimagine how they think about science, and we are just getting started. If you are a principal of an elementary or middle school in Terrell, Allen, Grapevine, Colleyville, Plano, Garland, Keller, or Wiley Independent School Districts, your school has already secured our services for you. All you have to do is select a date and time for you in school field trip and family science night. Make sure to contact us at events@seedsystem.net for more information. And don't forget to join me, Angela, as we work to share the power of STEM education in our community by following us on Facebook, Instagram, @SeedsSystem. And remember to have a stimulus day.